How to transfer Google Play progress to iPhone. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. To start off, you need to open up your Google Play Store first and foremost. Make sure that you are connected to a Google account. Now to transfer your Google Play progress to your iPhone, you have two ways. First is to select for the gaming application. Now make sure to download this application in your iPhone device. Once you do this, you'll be able to sync your data. For that, tap on the user icon and make sure that you are using the same account that you have used to download the application and also that is linked to your Google Play Store. So it is pretty common actually. All you need to do is create an account in your iPhone device using the same account that was connected to your previous Google Play Store. By that way, you'll be easily able to sync the data of your application. Since Google Play does not allow direct transfer of data to your iPhone, just ensure that you have the same account that is linked to your Google Play Store and your current iPhone account. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.